Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're discussing some breaking news in the EV world. Fisker is offering their Ocean EVs to employees for just $20,000. This surprising move comes as the company faces serious financial difficulties. Let's dive into the details and what this means for the future of Fisker. Fisker is currently offering massive discounts on their Ocean 1, Ocean Extreme, and Ocean Ultra models to employees. Originally priced between $52,999 and $68,999, these EVs are now available to employees for just $20,000. This drastic price cut comes as Fisker struggles to stay afloat, facing potential bankruptcy without new investors or a manufacturing partner. A recent email to employees revealed this offer, highlighting that some of these vehicles may be previously titled and could come with additional fees. While a $20,000 electric SUV sounds like a steal, the email also noted that there are no guarantees about future warranty coverage, services, parts, or updates. This means if anything goes wrong, getting it fixed could be a major challenge. Back in March, Fisker slashed prices for consumers, making the base Ocean Sport available for $24,999, down from its original MSRP. Despite these cuts, hundreds of Ocean SUVs are reportedly still sitting unsold at a port in San Diego. Fisker's financial troubles are well documented. The company has been delisted from the NYSE, missed an $8.4 million interest payment, defaulted on a $3.5 million loan, and is facing lawsuits from engineering partners. Its Austrian unit has filed for bankruptcy, and the Ocean model is under investigation by the NHTSA for potential brake issues. With such a steep discount for employees and ongoing financial woes, the future of Fisker remains uncertain. If you're considering one of these discounted Oceans, it's essential to weigh the risks and understand the potential challenges ahead. If you want to stay tuned to automotive news, like the video and subscribe to our channel.